What are some of your favorite dishes at home? Alright, idli, sambar, masala dosha. Okay. Do you like junk food? If so, are you aware that eating it once in a while may not do you harm, but too much is often bad for you? So let us see. People in different parts of India eat different kinds of food. What a particular group eats depends largely on what crops are grown in the region to which they belong. Wheat and rice are important food grains grown in India. Wheat grows in plenty in the northern parts of India. Rice is cultivated in the fertile northern plains. Rice is eaten by most people in the eastern and southern parts of our country. Jowar, bajra, and corn are popular in the desert state of Rajasthan. Various types of pulses, beans, chickpeas, and pigeon peas are also eaten all over India. Meat, fish, and eggs are also eaten by many people. People whose diet includes meat, fish, and eggs are known as non vegetarians. People who eat only grains, vegetables, fruits, and milk products are called vegetarians. People living in coastal areas generally eat plenty of fish. Indian dishes are liked all over the world. Spices and oils help make food tasty. Some common spices are turmeric, saffron, ginger, garlic, coriander, cardamom, nutmeg, cumin, and cloves. Oil is mainly produced from mustard, sunflower, and sesame seeds. Groundnut, coconut, and palm are also used to produce oil. Vegetables and fruits are grown in various parts of the country. Kashmir is famous for cherries and strawberries. Ladakh is famous for apricots, while Himachal Pradesh is well known for pears and apples. Melons and mangoes are found all over India in summer and grapes in winter. Bananas are also widely grown. Nagpur is well known for its oranges. Assam, Goa, and Kerala are famous for pineapples. Everyone in India can enjoy fruits and vegetables from all over the country because they are transported by air, rail, and road, from where they are grown to places where they are not easily available. Do you know, children, the word jackfruit comes from jaca, a name given to the fruit by the Portuguese who landed in Calicut at the end of the 15th century. In Malayalam, jackfruit is chakkapalam. Jacka was the Portuguese way of saying chaka. Now let us recapitulate. Food grains. Which are the food grains commonly found in India? Pulses, beans, chickpeas, pigeon peas. Wheat, rice, jowar, bajra and corn are the grains. And spices. Which are the spices? Turmeric, saffron, ginger, garlic, coriander, cardamom, nutmeg, cumin, and cloves. And oil seeds. Which are the oil seeds? Mustard, sesame, sunflower, groundnut, coconut, and palm. Now, fruits and vegetables. We can see melons, mangoes, grapes, and bananas all over India. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Assam, Goa, and Kerala are famous for pineapples. Ladakh is famous for apricots. Kashmir is famous for cherries and strawberries. Himachal Pradesh is famous for pears and apples. So, people in different parts of the country eat different kinds